Okay everyone, LeetCode 1281, subtract the product and sum of digits of an integer. Okay, well here we're given this integer n, which can be from 1 to whatever this big number is, and basically we have to divide this number into a list of numbers of individual integers, calculate the product of this list, calculate the sum of the list, and then subtract the sum from the product. Okay, well, I encourage you to pause the video, try to solve it, come back, see if our solutions are similar. With that out of the way, we start by creating our number list, which I think is the most important takeaway from this exercise. I'll just write it down and then I'll explain what I did. So it's basically integer I for I in string n. Okay, well, string n will basically take this number and break it down into a list of characters 2, 3, and 4 separated by commas. Now, for every I in this new list, return it as an integer. And now, so that's it. Now we create the sum of the list, which is basically the sum function applied to the num list. Now the product of the list, we'll set it to 1, which is the lowest possible value. And now for I in num list, the product of the list multiplies itself by this I. Now we just return the product list minus the sum of the list. If we run the code, we see it's accepted. If we submit the results, it's a success. Well, I think this line 4 over here is the most interesting of the exercise. It's very useful to be able to do all of this in a single line. So once again, just create a string out of this number. For every I in this new string, return it as an integer. Everything between square brackets, so it's returned as a list. So thank you for watching, and we'll see each other in the next video.